Hello friends! Today we will make states for the cells. In the classic game, you can right-click on the closed cell to place a flag indicating that you think there is a mine here. And you can place a question mark to indicate that there might to be a mine here. We need to add custom attribute to the cells. It will store the current state. Call it data state. It will be standard by default. And the same for reset button. First, add a function to get this attribute. And second, a function to set the state. In this function we need to set the attribute. And also we need to indicate that sign is placed. To do this, you can use clauses, inner HTML or custom CSS on the element with this attribute. I've decided to use inner HTML, but you can choose your own way. So let's add switch statement. For the protected cell, I will use inner div with the flag class. And break after that. Question mark for the question cell. And empty string by default. And now we need to update the cell-clicked method. Firstly, because we use inner HTML, we need to get closest element with class cell. Replace all uses of the target variable with a cell variable. And also let's check if current cell is protected. In this case, we should stop opening. To change the state of the cell, we need to handle the right click. Add the event listener to the board. We don't have right click event, but we have context menu event, which is the same. To prevent a context menu pop-up, we need to use prevent default on this event. Let's connect it to the document itself, just like that. And now we need to implement our right-click function. First, get the cell by using the closest method. The cell should be closed to work with it. return if it isn't. And now let's get current state of the cell. We will use switch case to change the state. In the following lessons, we will make a map of the states. Add two cases for our states, protected and question. And default state. Okay, all should work now. But to see the protection state, we need to update its style. Let's add it. Set the sizes a bit smaller than cell. Add a border to it. Now set the radius to the bottom corners to 50%. It already looks like a shield. Let's add small radius to the top corners too. 10% will be fine. Set the background to a bluish color. And a bit darker in set shadow to add some volume to it. It looks really nice. Check states transitions. Okay, fine. We can set a shield to try to open it. Nothing happened. And that's it for today. Like, subscribe and comment if you want more content. See you in the next video.